Okay, so musuloke in kule app accounts akho azoba lapha ekhoneni phezulu la kune amount khona and udemo. Mawuclick lapho uzobona wonke ama accounts akho. You can switch between real and demo accounts, right? Okay, and to open an account, let's say awakapi na account angithi. So into ozoyenza, it's very simple. Uzoya lapha phezulu. And then you click on this plus sign at the account, and then it's a real account, and then you can leave it as empty for legal. It must be a standard account lapha phezulu. And then nala abo below standard kuna lapha khona uthi unayo partner code and kopalo enter here. When you click on enter here, and then this is where you write layer promo code engikunikeze partner code, which is this one, Zulu Trade. And then you check this box, and then you continue creating your account. Okay, so now that you have your account, to deposit, you just click on deposit, and you pick any form of payment as one an hour. You can do an online bank transfer, you can use e-bank card yako, you can use Capitec card, you can choose any method. And then also deposit, also choose the money ifaka ku account, make sure it's the one that you used Zulu Trader on. So select your account, and then also deposit again. So most of deposits so now you want to take a trade. So let's say for instance you paying a trade is USD ZAR, which is South African rand versus dollar, and then secondly it's silver, commodities, not gold, because silver opportunities maningi khona, and it lags behind gold. So you can watch gold and surely silver will follow along. So nalapho is in an opportunity. So it also ends like, let's say I said let's trade USD ZAR. Okay, I'm calling a silver. So this is where you search lapha next to markets. Click on the search icon and you type into SWC searcher, SWC trade and so USD ZAR na yave. More click on the plus sign useceleni izongena ku watch list. The kombisa ukuthi watch list izoba kuphi. Just select the USD ZAR, and then must figure ku page layo. The first thing you need to do is turn on one click order lapha phezulu. Layer switch layer my click is to activate, and then you activate. So lento ikwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuthatha a trade instantly without having to do anything. And then click lapho amount ezansi. Ijwayele uba la ku quantity wena make sure ukuthi lapha kwama lots, and then you enter ama lots ngisuke ngikunikeze wona, or depending ukuthi account size yakhe ngakanani. But for starters soqala sonke ngo 0.01, and then account yakho if inkulu you can increase this to even 0.1, where you'll be making $1 per pip ngiyabo ku euro USD for instance ngiyabo. But ngizomchazela ke this ukuthi sebenza kanjani. But this is where you enter ama lots, and then you click save. So if it's a buy, you buy. If it's a sell, you sell. So let's say it's a sell, so I'm taking a sell here, and ngiyabo isikhona trade now it's -$1. So yeah, run at the moment to trade. So to manage the trade, just click on it. And then this is where you can add or remove amount, take profits and stop loss. So by turning on this toggle Elizant, you can enter a price or the amount for both stop loss and take profits. But to make things easier, just choose amount and then ufaka amount. So let's say on this trade I'll take profits when it reaches $20, and I'll get out of the market when I am down -$10. That's just simple. Unlike Lana, you'd have to figure out at which price will this be at minus $10 or plus $20. Price so click save. So now it trade automatically my reach either take profits or stop loss circle. But if you want to close it manually, you can always press lapha close trade like value minus 0.8. Okay, and then now we are back. Ama trade akhe sewonke azoba lapha ku trade license. Click on trade azovela la wonke ngiyabo. Yeah, that is ama basic what thing I just to be able to take a trade. So let's say you want to analyze lapha gold, for instance. You click on gold. And then lapha ezansi kunama time frame, just click on lapha next to max izokwenza ukwazi uyibuka in full screen, uyibone ngale platform yaka trading view, because by integrate la no XM. so zoyibona ukuthi izovela ngale ndlela oyijwayele inama candles and nama indicates. So here you can draw, you can do anything. For instance, let's say I want to change this to candles. This is exactly ngale ndlela esijwayele, or change time frame. You want to draw a line, maybe na line yakho la, say trend line. This is how you draw lines out, and then you analyze it. Okay, we've broken this trend line, and see intersector nale any trend line. This is so it's a very good area to take a sell, and then click on sell, and again you enter lots ARCO 0.01, and then you take a trade, and then you enter take profits or stop loss ARCO. Or you can, let's say you don't want to take a sell now, you want to take a sell when the price reaches a certain level. So you toggle this on, and then ufaka the price low for sell or buy again. If you want to buy, you press buy here and enter the price of buy again. So yeah, you're on a platform so you'll be able to take trades using this platform. Yeah, Damko, questions again, class. Damko.